The boost is crazy. I'm telling you guys, this is very powerful. Driving pleasure that you want in a car. Very, very smooth and very luxurious. Let's see the power of it. 120, 130. So we are here to experience the all-new BMW 5 Series. We are going to sit inside the car quickly and see how is the driving experience, how is the feel of the car. Let's go. So we are here. Let's take a look at this car. So let's start the drive and let's see how this beauty performs. Let's see the power of it. Let's go. So when you first sit in the car, I think the feeling of the car is quite luxurious, and since this is a sedan, you get that feeling of driving pleasure that you want in a car for sure. And the driving experience as of now seems pretty smooth to me. Let's just go ahead and see how the power of the car is in a bit. I can feel the power now once I cross 80. So you cannot feel any bumps or speed breakers while driving. And if we talk about the driver's comfort, I feel the first impression that comes into my mind is that the car is pretty comfortable for someone who's my height. I'm 5'2", I guess, 5'2", and it feels quite comfortable to me. And the whole driving experience seems very, very smooth and very luxurious. You know, you're driving a BMW, you get that feeling in this car for sure. Everything is quite accessible also in terms of the driver comfort. So every button for navigation, for your calls, everything is right here in this console, which is quite comfortable for the driver. So what happens is that whenever you're driving a car, your focus should be obviously in the front, and your focus shifts when you are actually busy when it comes to the infotainment screen or anywhere else. So what happens is that there are chances of a mishap. BMW has provided everything here, so you can do everything from your media, navigation, your volume, your modes, everything right from here. There is also option of parking cameras and your ground clearance also right here in this console. Now, if we talk about the power of the car, I feel that this is a very powerful car. I'll just try to cross probably 100 and then I'll show you my experience with the car. We have some kind of traffic here, so I don't want to risk anyone. Let's see how it feels to drive this above 100 or 120 and try my best to give you that experience as well. So we'll just try to go as much as I can. I'll just go full crazy. Right now I am at 135. I've crossed 135, but I have to slow down. So I feel 135 great power. There's a boost also here, which I can feel in the car post when we cross 100. So now let's talk about the paddle shifters also. Paddle shifters will be pretty good for people who like to experience speed and total control of the car. We have paddle shifters along with a boost mode that I will also use after my next turn. So we'll get to know the power, the real power of the BMW 5 Series. All in all, I feel the car gives, when you drive the car, you get that driving pleasure that you want from a sedan, of course, and obviously the added elegance of the BMW also adds to it. Along with that, There are so many things in terms of exteriors, in terms of music, in terms of the comfort of the rear passengers also. So let me quickly get to the boost first because I have the chance to do so. Quickly, we have crossed 120, 130. The boost is crazy. I'm telling you guys, this is very powerful and I'm loving the experience here. So now I will be sitting in the back and I will give you some highlights about how is the experience when it comes to the back of the car. So let's go and let me shift at the back. Let's see how it goes. So I'm sitting in the back of the all-new BMW 5 Series, and let me tell you, I feel pretty comfortable. The driving experience was quite good for me. Whatever time we had, I think that the car is pretty powerful. You cannot expect anything lesser than this when it comes to the BMW brand. At the back, I feel pretty comfortable in terms of the seating arrangement. We also have this option to close this thing and easily three people can comfortably sit. And as I mentioned earlier in my previous video, all the interiors are actually all vegan interiors, so that's also pretty good. Now let's talk about the back. Okay, so we have a wireless charging area for your smartphone here. Then we have a little cabinet kind of thing here to put your stuff. And then at the back we have your cushions, head cushions type of things that give you that utmost comfort when you're traveling, especially if you're traveling to places that are far. And also for city rides also, I think it's amazing to have this type of luxury in your car, and it only makes sense that you have the utmost luxury when it comes to the BMW. One more thing I would like to point out is that not only a wireless charger, but the seats also have Type-C ports for you to charge your phones. If you take a look here, I'll just add some kind of visual here. We have one Type-C here and one Type-C here. So it's pretty easy for you to charge 2 or 3 devices in one go, and you will have a good experience. So the one important thing that I wanted to show you guys is this panoramic sunroof, which is a fixed one, but it is a delight to see when you sit in the back or whether you're sitting ahead also. I think this gives you that feeling of openness that you need in a car, and someone who loves sunroofs would love this one. And apparently from the last series, this is actually 90% bigger than the previous one, so this is also one new addition as well. So I totally love this, and we'll see you next time in our next video. Let us know, how do you find the car? Do you like the car? What do you think that BMW should change or not, should add or not? Let me know in the comments below.